Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. This video doesn't really warrant a video. I could have told him about it, but he wants to do the artistic media tool, but he doesn't want the points touching. So he takes a ellipse and goes to the artistic media tool and grabs, one of the ones that he might want, and it connects so slightly right there. Well, it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. So all he has to do is take a rectangle or anything and cut out part of that, whatever width he wants, delete that, take that, get the artistic media tool and use your pencil. And then you always have to go up or down. And if we go up quite a bit and make it thicker, you can see that it's not touching. And I thought I would just add, and don't forget for the one I'm doing it for, is to select it all and go up to object and convert or break the artistic media apart, because that hidden line is still there and it will mess you up if you go like left click, right click, that line would be there. I don't know what must be part of a logo, but you could do the same thing with a square. You could take away part of that square with the virtual segment delete key, take away that square, select that, go artistic media tool. We use the same one. I don't know why Corel makes you do this, but you have to either go up or down to get the reaction. But that's a pretty cool design, especially if you made it somewhat thicker. And let's make it like 1 or make it 3. Well, that'd be a pretty cool frame design for something, I guess. But don't forget, whenever you use artistic media tool, to ungroup it, because that hidden box is still there. Well, let me just do this and you'll see it. If we take all this and we left click no fill, right click outline, you've got that in there and it will cause you problems if you do something, so you can just delete it. Now, as always, I like to play around with it before I finish the video. We'll use the Smart Fill tool on yellow and give you a little sense of what you can do with the interactive fill tool. Go across the whole thing and then put red on this side and make this thing look totally different. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit and somebody in the future, and thank you for watching.